You having fun?
I'm doing a hat on the wall.
Like I need another apron. Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. I'm in my apron. I have had a busy day. I started my day off on the deck, sitting there in the sun with Paige, and I did some cross stitching, listened to some music, and just got ready for the day. And then I sat at my computer, looked at my emails, answered your comments, and edited my oatmeal cookie recipe video for you and uploaded it. And now I am just working on Easter baskets. I've got some stuff here. I just bagged away Shaylee's bag. They're each getting a can of fluff. Yup, the Easter Bunny's bringing fluff. Actually, you can't get this in Utah on the shelves, not at all. So, I mean, you could order it off of Amazon, but in Park City, Utah, you can get it from World's Market. That is it. That's the only place. And this stuff doesn't even stay on the shelves. The guy said, like, this sells out. I'm like, well, no duh. If you ever had a fluffernutter, you take peanut butter, like a sandwich, and you put peanut butter on one side and fluff on the other, and it's a fluffernutter. You cannot compare this to any other marshmallow cream because it's just not the same. It's so different. So they're each getting a can of fluff. They got, well, Boston, Shaylee, and Jonah got these cookies that I found at World's Market too. Boston's got the sloth. Jonah's got the llama. Shaylee has a unicorn. Callie, I'm getting her something else. So this is Callie's. They're each getting a rooster that poops out jelly beans. Oh yeah. And with a box of jelly beans. And so I need to go to the store later today and get 2 more things for the boys and 3 more things for Callie. And those are their Easter baskets. And then they'll search for eggs. Yeah. Isn't that exciting? So exciting. And so the Easter Bunny is going to come Saturday morning instead of Sunday morning. And we tell the bunny, we write, you know, a letter to the bunny, and we're like, hey, you know, come Saturdays instead of Sundays on Easter. So there's some years we let him come on Sunday, but this year we're having him come on Saturday. So, yeah. And I gotta, Mommy and Daddy do the golden egg. We fill it with stuff, and there's one big golden egg, and there's stuff for all of them in there, so I gotta get stuff for that too. And an individual golden eggs with money in it. Yeah. We make it fun. So that's what I'm working on. So it is now like 1:30, I believe. So I've spent the day, I did the dishes, cleaned the kitchen, and edited and uploaded, and that took my day. Editing takes a long time, and uploading. So I am done with that. So I'm gonna hurry and put this Easter stuff away, and then gosh, I would love to go to the store before I get Jonah from school. So let's hurry up and do this. Let's go to Walmart. Let's finish the Easter shopping. I'll grab Jonah from school and then come home, and then we'll get going on dinner and all the festivities, because I think we are coloring Easter eggs tonight as a family. Ooh, so exciting. Oh, the house smells so good. What I have melting right now in my warmer is this pina colada. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I got this from that Sensational outlet. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. This is smelling so good. Okay, let me share with you what I'm doing for dinner. I have some rolls that are thawing out that were frozen. They're the Terrell rolls, and they are going to be for Navajo tacos. So I have enough for each of the kids to have one like powdered sugared one, and then the rest for Navajo tacos. So that's what we're doing for dinner. They're rising beautifully. So sometimes these take forever to thaw out, and sometimes they go really fast. So cooking them, okay, here's what's happening. The school does Boston and Shaylee's school does an in-home visit once a year. They started this a few years ago. It's just a way for the teachers to connect with the kids in the home. It's really interesting. I don't know. So they're going to be here at 6 o'clock, and I'll cook dinner after their visit, because I don't know. I have an issue with people coming over. My house has to smell good, and I don't want like smelly, greasy scone smell. I don't know. So we'll have dinner after they leave. So The scones might be really big, but they'll be fine. Oh well. They'll be fine. Okay, so yeah. Oh no, it's not 1:30, it's 2:06. Oh, it's 2:06. I thought it was 1:30. Shoot. Jonah gets out of school at 2:40. Walmart is right down the street from me. Will I have time to run in? Oh, I don't want to rush. I don't. No, I'm not going because I don't want to rush through the store. And if the lines are long, yeah, no. Dang it. Shoot. Oh well, I'll go tomorrow while the kids are in school. Dang nabbit. Editing took much longer today. And my video was only like 3 minutes long, the oatmeal cookies, but it's amazing. The process takes a while. So, okay, the kids will be home. I have to get Jonah. The kids will be home soon. So I think what I'm going to do is go down into Callie's room and start stripping her bed and wash up everything for her. She's going to be here tomorrow for the Easter weekend, and I want her room ready for her. So I think I'll do that, and as I do that, I'll bring up some laundry and put it away. So I think for the next 40 minutes, I'm going to just focus on laundry. So join me. Oh, her sheets are already stripped off. All right, I'm gonna wash her blankets. Okay, her bed is done. We'll add on her blankets when they're done washing, and her room is ready for her. This is so sad. Her room is so empty. It's so sad, but she's done with school at the end of this month, and she's home from college. Yay! Okay, I'm starting on dinner. I'm heating up the oil for the scones. Look, they rose beautifully. So it's 6:30 and the teacher's left for our home visit, so we're ready to eat. So these are ready. I am starting to brown up some ground beef, and I have pinto and black beans warming up. So we are starting dinner. To see if your oil is ready to throw down cooking, like if you want to know if it's hot, you just put in a wooden spoon. Put in a wooden spoon, and if it starts doing this, it's ready.
Starts doing what?
Bubbles. See?
I just throw water.
Oh, jeez. Shut your mouth. No, you don't. All right, I'm going to get this going. So I just cook them till they're golden. I don't think I was recording. I'll show you how I drop them into the pan. If you want to make these with the sugar on them as a dessert, you got to hit them with the sugar right after they get out. It's so good. When I was little, my mom would fill these with American cheese. Oh, so good. I think I've shared that before on the vlog, me making them like that. But you throw in some cheese, fold the cheese over in the dough, throw it in. Oh, it's like a grilled cheese, but way better. All right, these are done. Just get them on a paper towel. Yummy. All right, so what I do is I take my dough and I start spreading it out. If I just want to make the dessert scones, I'll put my finger right in the middle and make a hole. But for the Navajo tacos, I don't do that. This is an easy, fast dinner. And it's a hit. And it fills the kids' bellies. It's so good. I only did a pound of ground beef tonight. I usually do 2, but I don't know. For some reason I felt I should do 1. I might regret that, but we shall see.
I'm gonna go see if Jomo's around.
Okay. I'm gonna add some taco seasoning in. Mix this up, heat this through, and then this will thicken and this will be done. All right. Paige, start barking, stop that. All right, back to the scones. All right. Better put an apron on, I haven't done that yet. Just so excited to start cooking. Oh, it smells so good. If you want to make these, you can get the Rhodes rolls that are in the freezer section and do it with them as well. This brand that we have in our Western Family Store, the Terrells, they're just my favorite. But I've done these with the Rhodes and they turn out great as well. Okay, here they are, all plated. We have the taco meat, the pinto beans, cheese, lettuce and tomato, and then they're gonna put some ranch dressing on it. And this is dinner tonight.
Check my yellow one.
Ooh, we got lots of stickers.
It's okay, Dad. Excuse me, Mom, I'm drinking my green.
Okay.
And guys, and we have a glitter.
Glitter eggs?
Yeah. It's kind of like the leprechauns like.
Nice.
And this teacher next door, he said, I'm a leprechaun.
You're a leprechaun.
Daddy
Well, he
loves
is a
dyeing
leprechaun.
eggs, huh?
We love Easter.
All right, while they are doing eggs, I am getting the Easter baskets ready. This is Callie, Jonah, Boston, and Shaylee. We reuse the same buckets. Some years we don't do the buckets. Like last year, I found this really cool drinking straw thing. If I could find a picture, I'll show you. We did it that way. Just filled it with candy and stuff. So, but this year we're doing their buckets. I did pick up some stuff. Let me show you what I got. Okay, I went and picked up some things at Walmart. So I'm going to redo their baskets just a little bit. So I wanted to give them Peeps, but I didn't want to give them each a box. I don't know. I was like, oh, how do I do Peeps? So I found like these Peeps on a popsicle stick. So they're going to get that. And a bunny on a stick. It's a crispy, double crisp chocolate like a crispy, crunchy chocolate thing. So they each got one of those. A Reese's Peanut Butter Bunny. A box of Easter M&Ms. A Hershey Kiss. A big Hershey Kiss. This is a family thing. This has to do with Derek's grandfather who passed away. So I got them each a kiss. And then when they were little, I used to always get them bubbles. This is a bubble wand, and it's supposed to make these huge bubbles. So I thought, oh, that'd be fun. So I got one for each of them. So this is like, yeah. So I'm going to grab all their other stuff that I showed you before. And I'm going to just try to make these baskets up. Some things might not be able to fit, and I could just give them on a different time. So, all right, let's work the magic and try to make these baskets look good. Okay, here are their baskets. Nice and full with their Easter treats. And I will give the other things you saw to them. I'll just set them out. I'm just not even going to worry about it. So, this bag here is for Derek and I to fill the eggs tonight when the kids are in bed. And so their baskets are nice and full. Ready to go. So I am just going to put them in my closet and, you know what? No, I'm going to go put them in my shower. I think I'll lay a towel down in my shower, put the buckets on, they'll never find them. So until morning. So that is the kids' Easter.
I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You having fun?
Yep.
Are we done?
I'm doing a hat on this one.
No, keep going.
I'm doing a hat on this
There's
one.
lots of eggs for you to come.
Yellow and pink together.
Just swap it sometimes.
And this one is pink, purple in the middle, and blue on the
Pretty.
dot.
And then you'll do all the stickers.
Draw a face.
When do you put the glitter on? Don't you put the
Glitter
Glitters
on.
last when it's all dry and you put glue on it and you
This
dump
one's-
glitter.
Why don't you put glitter on it when it's wet? Won't it stick?
That's what the glue's for.
Oh, weird.
So
Okay.
you can do designs and put glitter on it.
I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna make it run.
Go get a bowl. Go get a paper bowl.
Oh. Oh, man. Look at you. All right. Let's,
Glitter girl.
oh, let's,
Glitter. Glitter.
oh, why did I pick glitter?
Shiny girl. Shiny.
All right.
Shiny.
Like I need another apron, but I fell in love with this today at Walmart. Hello Spring Apron. Look how pretty. It's beautiful. So I couldn't help myself. I couldn't help myself. It's so cute. I'm gonna wear that tomorrow. It's so fun.